In this video, I am going to show you how to use the YouTube TV free trial on multiple devices. One of the great features of YouTube TV is that it allows simultaneous streaming on up to 3 devices at once, even during the free trial period. To get started, sign up for the free trial on the YouTube TV website or app using your primary device. Once your account is set up, download the YouTube TV app on other devices like smartphones, tablets, smart TVs, or streaming devices such as Roku or Fire Stick. Log into each device using the same account credentials you created during sign-up. This will enable you to stream live TV or recorded content across multiple screens at the same time. You can also create separate user profiles within your account for personalized recommendations and DVR libraries. Just remember that while the free trial allows access on multiple devices, you'll need to cancel before the trial ends if you don't want to be charged. If this video helped you use YouTube TV on multiple devices during the free trial, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.